In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an order history on Amazon. Now, a quick heads up before we begin. Amazon doesn't actually let you permanently delete orders, but you can hide them from your main order list by archiving. That's the closest equivalent to deleting your order history, and it's great for keeping certain purchases out of the default view. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account you use for your purchases. If you share a device, it's a good idea to confirm you're not in a guest session or a different profile, so you're looking at the right order history. Once you're signed in, look toward the top right of the page for accounts and lists. Hover over it or click it. Then select your orders. This takes you to the page where all your recent and past orders live. Think of this as your main dashboard for everything you've purchased. Next, locate the order you want to hide. If you have a long history, use the search bar on the orders page to type in a keyword from the item or use the filters to navigate by date. This can save time and helps you zero in on the exact order you're looking for without scrolling endlessly. When you find the order, look for the Archive Order option beneath it. Click Archive Order. Amazon will ask you to confirm, which is normal. Click Archive Order again to finalize it. After this, the order will be removed from your default orders view. It hasn't been deleted, but it's now tucked away so it won't show up in the main list. A few things to keep in mind for clarity. Archiving hides the entire order, not just a single item within a combined order. This action won't affect returns, warranties, or receipts, and it won't remove any emails you may have received about the order. It simply cleans up your main orders page, which is useful if you're sharing your screen or just want a tidier view. If you're managing privacy on a shared computer, consider signing out when you're done and clearing your browser history so your activity isn't visible. Also, this workflow is most reliable on a desktop browser. Some mobile views don't display the archive option as clearly. That's all there is to it. Open Amazon.com, sign in, go to Accounts and Lists and select your orders, find the order, click Archive Order, and confirm. Your order is now hidden from the default view, giving you a cleaner, more private order history.